We affirm the co-equal unity of all creation, of all beings, including the human being, in the unity of the supreme divinity. As such, we believe that animals should not be hunted for food. We believe and affirm that no animal should be hunted for food, whether it is the deer, the coyote, the wolf. That all animals enjoy a right to life, to not be hunted for game. The animal creation is not distinct from the human being. We respect other theological traditions, and we admired some of the theological debates. Some of them are very interesting. For example, the question of whether or not, and this is something dear to many people, whether or not their pets, such as cats and dogs, survive in spirit. That is something very intriguing for us. We listen to the perspectives of different traditions, including the Catholic tradition, other traditions. For us, the question of whether the animal spirit survives is an elemental answer. The spirit of the cat, the spirit of the dog, and all animals certainly are kami, and they will survive. And our answer for anyone asked if this is going to be very nuanced, because in a different theological tradition, the question is specifically whether or not my cherished pet will go to heaven. It is a little more nuanced because our conception is different than the conception of a paradise heaven. For we see that the world of the spirit and the world, let's put it in a different manner, the world of spirits in the body and the world of spirits without the body, the world of spirit to spirit, spirit of spirit. So there's always this idea, and you see this in pop culture, that basically there's humans and there's spirits. There's the world of the living and the world of the spirits. Think about it this way. You right now are a spirit in the body. If you encounter a mountain full of spirits, I mean, that's very great, but it's not something distinct and separate from your own being as spirit, but merely in command of the vessel of the body. And in that manner, in this spiritual context, this answer is very simple. The spirit of your pet is of the same substance of your spirit, in the unity of the divine spirit, of the ultimate supernal spirit of divinity. Thus, the spirit of the human being and other beings certainly survive from our perspective, the demise and decay of the body. So the question of whether cats or dogs go to heaven, we have to answer it in a different manner, because we do not have the conception of heaven in that sense. Unless if you can conceive of the unity of the world of spirit and the world of man, which is this one and the same world. And if we make the world a better place, you may call it heaven. If there is suffering, you may call it something else. But the emphasis is in the co-equal unity of all the spirits of all beings, including human beings, in the unity of the divine supernal being. Peace.